I'm testing out this portable range hood for the very first time. It was sent for my review, and this thing is pretty cool because as you can see over the stove, I have no range hood. So the smells, the smokes, all the particles are literally just going up in our kitchen, and you'd have to open a window and get some circulation. But no more, because this thing is able to suck in that air. It's got 3 different speeds, very easy to use. Literally power button 1, 2, and 3. And the really cool thing with this is going through here, and then you'd think like, how does it actually work? So this is a magnetized kind of like cover here. So this is the first filter, and inside you've got 2 different filters, and you do have more in the pack, so they do actually give you some extra ones as well. And the cool thing with this is that this filter will not only just get the smoke out, but also oils and particles of that nature, because this is really cool, because then it's like, boop, magnet, done. Because all of that kind of liquid will eventually end up right in here, which is really, really great, because then you just have to clean this little device and clean the filters, and you are good to go. So I want to show you. Obviously, it's hard for me to just tell you that it does that. We're gonna make some smoke. We're gonna light up this little bit of paper, and we're gonna turn it on so you guys can actually see. So of course, I'm gonna turn it on. It does need to get plugged in. And then you turn it on, and then number 1, so I'm gonna make sure that, of course, this is just number 1, and I can feel the air coming out. So I'm going to put a little bit of water, and we're gonna see it. Look at that. That water is going, that smoke is going literally this way. There's nothing at all. And then when it's done, it's done. I just have to turn it off. And when I'm done with my cooking, my anything, obviously I can't show you that there's any oil particles in here, because obviously it was just smoke. But that gives you kind of like that idea of how it sucks in that air. There is air coming out of here. So when you do have it on 3, for example, I'm going to turn it back on, put it on 3. You see that kind of, it is turning just like a vacuum, basically, sucking out of here, and the air comes out of here. Now, obviously, the air coming out of here is a little cooler, which is nice, almost like a fan, but there's no smoke, there's no scent coming out of here, because it's all been captured within the filters. This whole thing is very, very light. Love the fact that it's super easy to clean as well. And yeah, as long as you have some power around your stove, you finally can get a range hood. It's pretty cool.